台湾和史瓦帝尼的邦谊已经超过半世纪，无论在农业、经贸、教育、医疗等领域，都紧密的合作。其中协助史瓦帝尼兴建战略储油槽，是两国之间至今最具规模的合作计划。我们将继续推动这项计划，也期待在各领域有更丰硕的合作成果。我知道扎杜利副总理阁下非常重视性别平等和妇女赋权的议题，在外长任内也促成了我们两国的相关合作。如今担任副总理，更积极关怀弱势，提升社会福利。这些政策方向也是我的施政重点，期盼未来跟阁下加强合作，让彼此的社会能够更加美好。台湾和史瓦帝尼都是爱好和平的国家，在国际情势瞬息万变、极权主义不断扩张的威胁下，我们希望未来两国继续在国际上相互扶持，也为两国人民的福祉继续打拼。
In conclusion, Excellency, because I can go on and on when I talk about Taiwan and our friendship. Excellency, the Kingdom of Eswatini totally agrees with you that we must all safeguard our national sovereignty and protect the lives and property of our people. Our common enemy will always be poverty and natural disasters such as earthquakes and flooding. But against all odds, we'll stand united and shall remain united and will be one, Your Excellency. Thank you very much. Stay warm.